They were crafted from the stars and the silk, yet they wouldn't rise until love took hold. Sometimes it's not the wind that lifts you, but who holds the string. If this poem touched you or the story made you feel something real, Ko-fi and Patreon links are in the description. Help us keep writing for you and for the ones we love. The Kites That Would Not Fly, a fable created by Jesus Mocapara. When spring came to the hills of the heavenly realm, the peach trees bloomed, the sky turned silk blue, and the winds whispered with laughter. In the middle of this gentle season, Jesus' three beloved wives, Bule the star-eyed dreamer, Young the earth-hearted muse, we in the moon-souled song asked him for a gift. Yes, they said with smiles as soft as petals, will you make us kites, one each to dance with the wind? Jess, always eager to craft love with his hands, worked from dawn till dusk. He carved frames from golden bamboo, tied threads spun from comet silk, and painted each kite by hand. Bule's was starlit black, the night sky with silver suns. Young was earth-toned, with pink blossoms swirling across green valleys. Wien's was silver blue, trailing ribbons like moonlight on water. They were perfect, light as feathers, strong as oak, glowing with love. But when the empresses ran to the hills to let them fly, none of the kites rose. The wind tugged at them, the skies opened wide, but they fluttered helplessly, dragging across the ground as if they had no soul. Just frowned. He checked the string, the frame, the angle of the tail. Everything was right, still they would not rise. Then quickly, Bule picked up her kite again and held the string with both hands. Young and Bean followed, each gently clasping their own. And at that moment, the wind caught. The kite soared. Bule's soared highest, trailing constellations behind it. Young's danced in loops over cherry blossoms, and Wien glided like a bird in the rhythm with her laugh. Jess stood below astonished, and then he smiled. They don't fly because they were built, he whispered. They fly because someone who loves them is holding on. The kites, it seemed, were not toys or ornaments. They were echoes of their hearts, born to rise only when held by the ones they were made for. And that spring season, under a sky painted in warmth, Jess sat beneath the peach trees and watched his heart take flight in three forms. His love soaring freely, because it was never meant to fly alone. The moral of the story is that the things we make with love only rise when love holds them. If you've enjoyed this little fable, please stay a while. I'm sharing more stories, parables, and gentle dreams every week. Little lights to brighten your day. Follow, share, and let's build a cozy storybook world together.